Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to go live on Kick. Now let us begin. They note that I have already logged into my account in case you have not, do it right now. And for your information, in order to go live, you should have added a profile picture. Now let's simply look at how to go live. At the bottom right, you can see a button like this that says live. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, it's gonna ask you to accept some terms. Simply click on agree. And guys, this is it. At the bottom, you can see a button like this that says go live. Click on it. And that's it guys. All you have to do is click on this checkbox right here. As you guys can see, I have already done it. Once everything's okay, click on this button that says got it. Now finally, all you guys need to do is click on this button start, and that is it. That way, you will have gone live in Kick. That is it guys, that's how we go live in Kick. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.